Imagine a plant that helps you lose weight, prevents diabetes, strengthens your heart and immune system, boosts your energy, cures mood swings, strengthens your bones, improves fertility, and serves as an aphrodisiac. It almost sounds too good to be true. This plant is called Peruvian ginseng, and it's also known as maca. This root, which kind of looks like a radish, comes from the Andes and has grown in popularity due to its health benefits. Studies show that people that eat maca regularly maintain good health until a much older age, appearing to be much younger than they really are. In today's video, we're going to show you 10 benefits that maca can give you when you eat it regularly. It can help you lose weight. Due to its large amount of fiber, which regulates bowel movements and reduce your appetite, maca is great for people who want to lose weight. It boosts libido. Studies have shown that maca acts on the hypothalamus, regulating stress and your metabolism, which improves sexual desire. Prevents diabetes. The fiber present in maca helps slow down the speed at which sugar is absorbed by our body and helps release a large quantity of insulin, the hormone that quickens your metabolism. Improves your heart's health. Since it's a great source of omega fatty acids, maca can help protect your heart from diseases such as high blood pressure. Furthermore, this root helps control your cholesterol levels. It fights anemia. Due to its high levels of iron, it's great at fighting anemia. Strengthens your immune system. Maca is an adaptogenic plant, meaning that it can revitalize, fight fatigue, and improve muscular resistance. Fights osteoporosis. Since it has more calcium than milk, it strengthens our bones, preventing diseases such as osteoporosis. Helps during menopause. Maca regulates your hormone levels and helps control the symptoms associated with menopause, such as heat flashes. Furthermore, it has no side effects, something that most medication prescribed for women going through menopause normally have. Improves fertility. Studies show that men who eat maca noticed an improvement in the amount of sperm produced. Women experience improved libido, lower stress levels, and improved blood circulation, especially around the pelvic area. Improves a sense of well-being. This root makes you feel better since it boosts your energy, gives you more strength, and stabilizes your mood. It is also great at treating depression, anxiety, and memory loss. You can find maca in supplement form, in capsules, or even in powder, and it can be added to yogurts, salads, juices, fruit, and other foods. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.